In this quick iPhone video, we're going to show you how to remove the Memoji stickers from your iPhone keyboard. So I'm in a conversation in iMessage, and when I open the emoji section in my keyboard, you will see the Memoji stickers, and they are by default at the left side of our screen. This can be annoying because you can tap on these stickers by accident, or you can send them to someone even if you didn't want to. But luckily, you can easily remove them or turn them off. All we have to do is to exit this and open our iPhone settings. Once we open the settings, we want to find the General section and open it. And after we do that, we want to scroll a little bit down until we can see the Keyboard option that's right under the Date and Time section. Go all the way to the bottom of this page until you can see this Emoji section, and you want to turn off the Stickers option. Maybe the option will be called Memoji Stickers for you, depending on the iOS version which you are on. But just turn off the stickers from the emoji section and they won't show up anymore. If I go back to my iMessage conversation and then open the emoji section, you will see that those stickers don't show up anymore, and all I'm left with are these regular emojis. But if you still see the stickers, then you will have to close the app from the app switcher so the changes that we've made to the keyboard will be applied. After you reopen the application and go over to the keyboard, you will see that the Memoji stickers are removed. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.